This review is of the Acer USB-C 7-in-1 USB-C to HDMI splitter. Okay, as you can see, you have an HDMI input, SD card, micro SD card, USB-C, that's your USB 2, USB 2, which I have the mouse in, and this is for a power input to charge the laptop if need be. Okay, so let's see what we got here and let's see how it works. Okay, I have Western Digital 5TB hard drive. I have a Seagate 7TB hard drive, and I'm controlling my mouse through the Acer hub. Okay, so since we have the Acer controlling everything, which is the Western Digital 5TB, the Seagate 8TB, and the ProtoArc mouse, let's start hooking things up and see how it goes. Okay, so what we're going to start off with first, we are going to hook up the Seagate. Let's hook up the Seagate. We're going to hook the Seagate up to the Acer. Okay, so let's hook the Seagate. Do that. Okay. We're going to hook up the Western Digital. We're going to hook that up through USB-C. And let's see what comes up with these two. So we're going to wait a minute, let everything boot. And let's see what we get, okay? Any minute now. Okay. So as you can see from here, and I'll move it in a minute. Okay, so as you can see through there, we have two hard drives, the Passport and the Seagate expansion drive, and those are hooked up. All right, and we're going to do one more thing. Since this has a USB micro, we're going to hook up one more drive, and that will be the SanDisk micro. Focus if you want. I don't want to focus. The micro SD. We're going to hook that card up. So let's hook that card up there. And we're going to hook that card into here. Okay. So again, we already have two hard drives hooked up. 3 if you count the onboard. And AVAST is picking up the micro SD card. And there it is. So we've got D, which is the Passport, E, which is the expansion drive, the Seagate, and the micro SD card. So we have 3 hard drives that are hooked up here. All right, so as you can see, there are 3 additional hard drives along with my system hard drive. So the connectivity on this is great, responsive, opens up quick. The only thing I don't need is the HDMI, but as you can see here, everything is hooked up through the Acer hub, and I've got all of my hard drives hooked up as well as my mouse. So this is good. I like it. I recommend it, and I definitely give it 5 stars. And that's that. It does what it's supposed to do. It does it quickly, and it does it well. So 5 stars. Recommended. and that is the Acer 7-in-1 hub. Acer 7-in-1.
Here's a look at the Acer 7-in-1 hub. Nice metal construction. You got your HDMI. There's nothing on the back side. And there's a blue status light at all times. Everything is high quality, top notch. It's all pretty seamless. Nothing seems cheaply put together. The entire kind of shell here lines up perfectly with any of the ports underneath. The one thing that could be maybe a con depending on your case is if you only have a USB-C on the right side of your computer, this hub doesn't really suit perfectly well for that case, because then you kind of have to do something like this, so you get a lot of bending. I suppose it's fine, but definitely if it's on the left side, it's just a little bit more, just kind of lines up better. Just to show you, you know, if I had this over here on the left side, it could kind of be facing me the whole time. I could do that over here. I would just have to have it upside down for it to face me, which is kind of annoying. Not a real big deal, just something to maybe think about. And then performance-wise, I saw nothing to complain about. I plugged in the, I have a USB flash drive here that can do a solid 500 megabytes a second, and whether it was plugged in here or if it was plugged in to my laptop's 3.2. I'm not exactly sure the speed, but it's really fast. But I saw no slowing down, so this thing is performing very well, and I honestly would recommend it. It's something I could see myself buying again. I think the quality is supreme.
So here's the USB hub. Pulling it out now, it looks very nice. It's not focusing. There you go. Nice build quality.
So on the Acer 7-in-1 USB-C hub, you have an HDMI port. You have both your storage ports here. You have a usable USB-C, 2 USB-As, and then a power in USB-C.
Your USB, plug that into your device, and then it has all these different options: card reader, HDMI. Yeah, nice and portable. This is attached here. So yeah, very much expands capacity.
Yeah, it worked really good. USB-C, so it's nice and fast. Feels really good. It's pretty solid. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break. The body's aluminum, so feels like it's gonna hold up pretty nice. Definitely recommend.
Answer